Hi, welcome back to Behave Like a Millionaire Inner Excellence WhatsApp class. This is day 4. We are already quick cap on 3 days program. The day 1 we are going to discuss like clarity in life and then find the core values of our own. And then second day we are discussing about the energy, how to create energy. And then the day 3 we are going to discuss, we are discussing about rising the necessity and then productivity. So today we are going to discuss about the influence, how to develop the influence on others, how to make them to support us. And then we are also discussing about the second session, that is demonstrating the courage. So now we start with the influence. Actually, the influence is very important one. The marketing people is well known, well aware about the influence, because they have to influence the customer mind. Then only they are able to close the sales. So there, how they are going to influence, they are given some samples of products to them, or they are given some offers to them, make them to, if they are given samples to them, they are make them, the customers, to believe on their products. That's one way of influence. So you should, like that in life, you have to make people to believe on you. For that, we are not given any samples to them. So we are going to act on that. So we are getting respects from them, make them to believe us. Whatever we are going to do, the other side of peoples will believe on us, then only they are supporting us. So like that, here we have to increase our demonstrations through our activities. So if you have the morals, we have the ethics, we are going to follow the rules and regulations. Like that, various things make our clients or our friends, relatives, or whoever is supporting us, they are believe on us. So you have to make them to believe. That's the only way to ask them to support you. So whenever they are believe you, they are automatically supporting you, your efforts, and then your they are supporting your ambitions. So the believing, as well as the customer or client or the friends or relatives believing, is very, very important. And then you have to create the support network, that is positive network. The support network means it's the positive network. Some of the people are always discouraging you and then given negative thoughts to you. So at that time you have to drain on your energies. So you have to create positive networks and then mingle with them, make them to believe you, then they are supporting you in all your endeavors. So you have the support network in wide range, then you get the greater energy to do the things. So that is the influence you make. Then how to create such a network, how to create such a positive network? First, you have to eliminate the negative peoples. You have to eliminate the negative peoples from your friend or business or whatever it is having the network. You just ignore them and then neglect them and remove them. That's very important. Then automatically the positive network will be created and then they are going to support you. Actually, the positive network peoples always make you to achieve greater heights. So you have to improve your influence on your friends, family, and business peoples, and all other peoples, those who are related to you. So make them to believe and make them to support you. You have to influence on them through your activities, through your supporting things, then you will achieve greater heights. Without other support, we are not able to do the things today in a juncture. So we need the support of peoples, we need the supporting network. So you have to make such network and influence others to make them to support you. I hope all of you done this thing. Greater network will be the greater things. Thank you all. Bye bye.